نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Start in the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. May Allah be merciful to all us. Today I would like to talk about our environment nowadays, how we will achieve something in this environment, how we will get something in these days, in this environment. So Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam told us, keep tolerance. What mean of tolerance? There was the many things available in our country and other of country, foreign countries, a lot of things available, and sexual life, other life, etc. But we will come to the Jamia and achieve something. What thing? Thing is the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran is not easy for everyone. Now, small, little children, Hafiz, Nazira, scholars, a lot of things, but they will come. The parents is sent in the Jamia, so they will achieve something for his life. Many people say the Qari Sahab, scholar Sahab, but why? It is a struggle, minute, hand to mouth, day and night. He stay in Jamia, eat food, little food, but he now this time achieve something. Until we also spend many time, our childhood time we spend without our parents, without our family, without our religious persons. We stay in Jamia all time, whole years completely. We didn't go to home. Why? We are achieve something for our future. Think about your future. Nobody can think about your future. Why? If you think, you set about your mind, now I see achieve something in my life, in my future. I have children, I have wife, inshallah, I will in future I have wife, I have children. So what I will do, give him to think about it. So why we not succeed in our life? We live a sunnah of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. If the person in these days also want to achieve something, so he will follow the rule of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. But we are a Muslim. As a Muslim, we don't follow the rule of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Other people is following the rule of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and they are succeed because they are hardworking. Hardworking is not fail. If the person hardworking, hand to mouth, day and night, he thinking, I want to achieve this thing. So he one day, honestly, one day, Allah Ta'ala give him until he non-Muslim also. Why? They are hardworking. If the person hardworking, inshallah, he will be succeed in life. Today is tough. Tomorrow then tough. After tomorrow, you are free. If you are hardworking. Because of hardworking is, without hardworking, nothing. If you want to eat something, drink something, so now your hand go on the plate, so eat one food. It is also hardworking. And it is my short suggest to my people, my organizers, and my everything is supporters and sport, and should like to must in this follow the rule of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and follow the sunnah of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It is my short opinion. Thank you very much.